Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia and I am so happy that you are here with me today. Today's class is going to be a quick Kundalini Yoga practice for a perfect day ahead. So when you're ready, come on down to your mat and we'll begin in easy pose. Coming to land in your body, let's take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Final one. Beautiful. We will tune in with the Adi mantra, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. It means, I bow to the divine wisdom within. Kundalini Yoga is a devotional practice to your mind, to your body, and to your soul. Bringing your hands together into Anjali Mudra at the heart, take a nice deep breath in to chant. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Relaxing your hands down, keeping your awareness within, keeping the focus on you. Bringing your awareness to the crown of your head. Slowly begin a body scan down. Relaxing down all the muscles in your face and jaw. Relaxing your shoulders. Relaxing and releasing through your chest, down your arms. Relaxing your belly, hips and thighs grow heavy. Knees relax. Shins, calves, ankles, and feet. On your next inhale, take the deepest inhale you've taken all day, filling your whole body with beautiful breath. Sigh it out. We will begin our practice with some camel rides, bringing your hands onto your ankles. Inhale to bring your chest forward. Exhale to round back, following your breath, closing down your eyes and focusing in on your third eye space. Keeping the motion, keeping the breath, keeping your eyes rolled up into third eye space. Move your hands onto your knees. moves the energy up the spine, continues to elevate your inner energy. All right, keeping the same motion, we will lift our hands up to our shoulders. Inhale to open through the chest, exhale to come in. Continuing to move that energy up the spine, into our third eye, to connect with that expansion of awareness, that elevation of consciousness. All right, inhale, squeeze, lift, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core, channel the energy all the way up, 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 up through third eye, up through the crown of your head, up and out into the cosmos, squeeze, lift, expand. And exhale, slowly float into quiet meditation, noticing the shifts within, the subtle shifts within your energy body. All right, taking Gyan Mudra, bringing index finger under thumb, bringing your arms up into goalpost. We're gonna inhale to the left, exhale to the right, through your nose, focusing in on your third eye. Staying nice and firm in the core, holding yourself steady. Come through center, squeeze, lift, inhale, squeeze glutes, squeeze core. Engaging Mula Bandha, channeling your energy all the way up and out. And exhale. Slowly release down. We'll make our way onto all fours. Bring your knees under your hips, wrists under your shoulders. We'll rock out a few cat-cows here. Inhale, dip the belly. Exhale, round, drop the head. Now, if you'd like to speed this up, follow your breath, bring in a fiery breath. But option to take this however you want today. Come through neutral spine, deep breath in, squeeze the energy up, elevate, taking your awareness to the crown of your head and the tip of your tailbone. See if you can feel the space you're making between each vertebrae in your spine. And slowly make your way back down into seated pose. And we'll close with Pranayama for prosperity. All right, for the mudra, we have our pinky finger up and our index finger up. These are the fingers of Mercury and Jupiter, the planets of expansion and communication. And by doing this pranayama practice, we are bringing that energy into our auric field so that we can experience it in our daily lives. You bring your arms up and out. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, right arm up. All right, closing down your eyes, taking your gaze into your third eye. Take a nice deep breath in, squeeze, lift, take both hands up, release the mudra, shake out your arms, shake it all out. And slowly melt your hands down. Place your palms up on your knees, allowing yourself to bask in the elevated energy that you have created through your body, through your breath. Being so present in this moment, so aware of the energy within you and around you, elevating through love and acceptance and devotion to yourself and to your journey. Thank you so much for being here. It means so, so much to me. We'll close with the mantra, Sat Nam, means truth is my essence. Hands into Anjali Mudra at the heart, deep breath in to chant. Sat Nam. Sat Nam, beautiful being of light, of love. Thank you so, so much for sharing your time, energy, and practice with me today. If you are here, if you are hearing these words, please let me know by leaving me a little like in the comments or even letting me know how you enjoyed this practice. It would truly, truly mean so much to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being here, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.